This thing is looking super sick. Got the rear end done, and he is going to weld a custom exhaust for it. So I believe that's the old muffler there, hacked off. And then he's making this new stainless one. Look at how epic that's gonna be. I don't even know how he welds that sucker. I ain't even gonna try it. But look at the geometry on the cage itself. Super, super sick. I love all those pointy ends. They look so epic. This thing, Ovi said, is pretty much the same file, just a little bit lower than ones he's done in the past.